Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greeting. Abdul Hadi, who is 8 years old, is going to show us how to fly F180 V2 GPS RC helicopter. Are you ready, sir? Okay, put it down. Make sure it's on a nice flat surface, and also make sure the tail rotor will not touch anywhere. Okay, all right, go back here. Come on, it's in GPS, unlocked, auto, and don't touch. Okay, so down, out. Yes, very good. There we go. Helicopter is spooling up. Take off. So now Abdul Hadi can enjoy flying RC helicopters. So if you make a mistake, you can just leave the sticks. You can see it will become very stable. Right? Very good. Oh, you're holding the radio and it's right there. Hold on. Look at that. Okay, this is Abdul Hadi. Turn around. Turn the helicopter. Yes, okay, look at that. Abdul Hadi is actually flying F180 V2. Go, fly around. Have fun. Yes, go forward. Very nice. So you see, these GPS helicopters are making it very, very easy for beginners to just start flying anytime. Now, yes, I know there are questions that, you know, what if beginners make mistake while they are flying GPS RC helicopters? Well, that's where I would say, if kids are flying, beginners are flying, there should be a person who is experienced and who knows these things very well. They should be around, and kids should be flying in their supervision, adult supervision, experienced pilot supervision. So remember, Abdul Hadi, just now you had the helicopter right above our head, right? So never do that. Always keep the helicopter in front of you, okay? All right, fly around. Lower the altitude. Yes, lower altitude, fly it around, see how it goes. This is how he's controlling. Super easy, very nice. Just make sure don't go over the people, okay? And keep a good altitude, keep everything clear. Now bring it down and give me a pass and then make a landing, okay? Oh, who's flying that quad right there? He's shooting the helicopter. He's filming the helicopter with his quad. So keep it here, go forward. Now remember, the GPS helicopters, they will take time to stop. So slowly move when it's coming to you, okay? All right, move forward. Yes, slowly. Look at that. That's called control. Very good. MashaAllah, he's focused. Bring more closer. Okay, this is a safe distance, all right? Now you can turn it around and land as you like, okay? Never get these helicopters too close to you, all right? So push down. Very good. Look at that. Abdul Hadi just landed. Okay, now you have to wait until the rotors stop completely, okay? So
put this on top.
Yes, that is locked. Very good. Abdul Hadi knows how to make the helicopter lock its motor, so it's safe to pick up. Now tell us your feeling. Pick it up.
Very nice.
Okay, now speak to the camera. How was your feeling? How about this helicopter? What do you think about it?
Nice for the new guys.
For the new guys, it's very easy to fly, right? And even kids can fly it.
Also, so beautiful.
Also so beautiful. Very nice. So you want this helicopter? Okay, this is your helicopter then. From now on, you always fly this. Do you want this one or you want the Black Hawk?
Two.
Oh, you want both? Okay, all right. All right, let's go. So this is F180 V2 GPS RC helicopter. Very beginner friendly. Even kids can fly it. You want to fly more? See if you still have battery. Otherwise, I'll change battery for you, okay?
This one?
Yeah, it will actually it will actually activate auto return to home if the battery is too low. Don't worry about it, okay? And I'll change the battery for him. So people, enjoy and see. He's gonna have fun with the helicopter now. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right.